very warm welcome. Greetings from CCube Academy, Chandigarh. Today's lesson is going to be about how to use is, am, are properly. So let's get right to it. Is, am and are the simple present forms of the verb to be. Now it is very important for you to understand that they are used to describe the state, feeling and condition that something or someone is in. Thus, is, am and are connect the subject to what is being said about the subject. Now we are using these helping verbs in sentences with verbs. It means that we are presenting some action in the sentence. English verbs have different forms in the simple present tense depending on the person and the number of the subject. Now it is very important that the verb and the subject agree. For example, now am is used for first person. For example, I am. Are is used for second person like you are. And is used for third person like he is, she is or it is. Let's start with is. The helping verb is used with the subject he, she and it and with all other singular things. Now we use is when the subject is a singular noun or a third person singular pronoun. For example, my mother is cooking dinner. He is working in the garage. Or it is an elephant. Now remember, is a singular verb and is used with present tense and is used with subjects like he, she and it and all other singular subjects. Let's talk about am now. The helping verb am is used with the subject I. Now use am when the subject is the first person pronoun I. For example, I am a teacher or I am the manager of this restaurant. Remember, am is a singular verb and is used in present tense and is used with the subject I. Now let's talk about are. The helping verb are is used with the subject you, we, they and other plural subjects. Use are when the subject is a plural noun or a plural pronoun. For example, we, you and they. So the examples are, they are preparing for the test. The students are learning their lessons. Are you coming with us? We are waiting for them. Remember, are is a plural verb and is used in present tense and is also used with the subjects we, you, they and other plural subjects. The verb to be is used as both linking verb and auxiliary verb. Now what is a linking verb? A verb that connects a subject with the complement, adjective or noun that describes it. For example, she is a doctor. Now remember, in this sentence, the subject she and the noun doctor is connected by a linking verb is. Now let's talk about auxiliary verb. The primary auxiliaries is, am and are used in the simple present tense to show the connection between the subject and a noun or adjective that comes after the verb. For example, John is a scientist. Now here, the primary auxiliary is makes it very clear that both the nouns John and the scientist refer to the same person. Before we end this session, let's revise the rules. Use is when the subject is a singular noun. Is also used with the third person singular pronouns he, she and it. Remember, use are when the subject is a plural noun. Are is also used with the pronouns you, they and we. And lastly, use am with the first person pronoun I. That's about it. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more. Contact CCube Academy, Chandigarh in order to join our online and offline batches for IELTS and spoken English. Thank you and have a nice day. And do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.